Get set. It's time. In a place half a world away, they're going all out. Together, their dreams are within reach. No obstacle too great. Taking on the world. Bring out the best. Bring on the game. Our spirit will soar.
Just getting to the Olympics is definitely a feat in itself.
Third consecutive gold medal.
To walk into a stadium representing my country and you're being watched by millions of people. So your heart's beating fast, you're excited, you got goosebumps. There's nothing else that can capture that moment. It's going to be so wild and crazy, it's going to be out of control.
The Olympic Games to me represents desire and the commitment to be your best. Each athlete's taken a little bit different journey in order to get to that point. For my races, I'll be training for 4 years, and my one race is only going to last 4 minutes.
Nobody was going to beat Curtis Biden in this one.
I'm thinking long term in 2000 is where I'm looking for my peak performance.
You can't just go out there and expect everything to be given to you. Everything I do takes time, takes work, takes effort. I believe in myself, and I think I could do anything I set my mind to.
At 14 years old, I'm probably in top 10 in the world at my sport.
And what a way to finish.
But what would make me really, really happy is to maybe help another Canadian athlete to get on the podium. The Olympics is like the biggest meet ever. It's everything or nothing.
We have no idea what our potential is. We have no idea what our limits are. You don't train for the good days, you train for the bad days. Because when I'm good, I'll win. But I have to make sure that when I'm bad, I'll win too. I don't focus on winning. I focus on rowing well.
I always feel that I could do it better. The only thing that goes through my mind is either he gets me or I get him. One of us is going to walk out of there. One of us is going to walk out of there. It's time to box.
As we're training day in and day out, every day of the year, for our whole career. Being focused just comes from having a goal and being determined to reach that goal. The Olympic Games to me was always what I wished and dreamed I would be at one day. I know what I'm going to do when I'm on that block. I've rehearsed it in my head and you just go.
Put the bar way up there and just strive for it. I believe I still have it in me to run a perfect race. No matter what, I'm going to give it my all. Sydney is going to be beautiful. The Olympics mean the ultimate in the sporting event. There's nothing that compares to it. It's the biggest of the big. It's where the world stands still.
A lifelong dream. Within reach. They're ready. Ready to face the challenge. Head on. Bring out the best. Bring on the game. Our spirit will soar. Canada's Olympic Network, CBC. On your mark. Get set. It's time. on the world. Bring out the best. Bring on the game. Our spirit will soar. Canada's Olympic Network. CBC. A lifelong dream. Within reach. They're ready. Ready to face the challenge. Head on. Bring out the best. Bring on the game. Our spirit will soar. Canada's Olympic